What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another mother freaking video. So right here is my nappy wig, and I'm gonna show y'all how I revive my curls and make it look good. So basically all you're gonna need is one product in this whole video. So if you want to see how my wig go from this to this, keep watching this video. And a lot of people have their own methods, like the boiling methods or whatever, but I do this quick simple routine. So basically all you're gonna need is these three things. So basically you're going to need some mousse, you're going to need a brush, and last but not least, you're going to need a comb. And you probably really don't even need this comb because I don't think I used it. But anyways, alright y'all, so basically what I'm going to do right here is just add mousse all over the wig. Just add it all over. Like literally drown the wig with mousse. And y'all, this mousse was literally dripping all over the floor. Like the floor was like covered in mousse. And I did not give a F. So next thing we're going to do is we're just going to brush it out. And that's pretty much all this process consists of, is adding mousse and brushing the wig out. Just as simple as that. So you're literally just going to brush, 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 brush. And you're just going to keep brushing until you can't brush no more. Alright y'all, so basically I'm just going to be applying more mousse. Like I said, you're going to need a lot of it so the wig can be wet and moist. The same thing, you're just going to be brushing it out. And that's pretty much all you need. You need mousse and a brush. And that's basically it. No need for all that extra stuff. You can save time just doing this. y'all, so this is the final look, and I literally only used one product, but it came out real nice. So I'm about to go throw this on my head, and I don't have any glue, so I'm gonna just throw it on for y'all just so y'all can see how it look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look, and it's not too bad, but y'all, I had this wig literally for like 9 months. I ordered this wig in April for my Atlanta trip. I went on a trip to Atlanta, so I had ordered this wig, and it wasn't originally this color. It was like a honey blonde color. I'm gonna insert some videos and pictures so y'all can see what it looked like originally. So this is what it looked like originally before I dyed it black, because I needed like an everyday wig, so I was like, I'm gonna just dye it black just in case I might need it on a rainy day. So this is like my everyday backup go-to wig, if that makes sense. And it be coming in handy, y'all. Like, it be coming in handy. But I'm not throwing it away. I'm literally gonna keep it until it fall apart, until there's nothing left. But anyways, that pretty much wraps up this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And I will see y'all in the next one.